Review on FX Race off of eBay, made in California. I got my flywheel. It was supposed to be for a 3.9 2003 Dodge Dakota. The flywheel is nowhere close. The clutch and the pressure plate are perfect. This is out of the Dakota. It's a genuine Chrysler product. 6-bolt. You notice the other one was an 8-bolt. The bolt pattern is so far off, not even half of a hole is showing on any of the bolt patterns. I'd say it's a little small, more bolt holes. It ain't gonna work. Has to go back. I got my shipping stuff. It's going to cost me $35 to send it back on a $335 kit. Flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, throwout bearing, pilot bearing. Anyways, if you go to order, I sent them an email saying, hey, eBay said this won't fit my truck. Oh, yes, it will. It's for a 3.9 liter. All right. The 3.9 Magnum, it don't work. Anyways, thanks for watching.